Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to guide you through integrating ActiveCampaign with WordPress. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, look in the description for a free trial link. If you're already a user, simply log in and follow along. First, go to the app section and search for the Zapier app. This tool will help us link ActiveCampaign with WordPress. Click Set this app up, and if you don't have a Zapier account yet, create one. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Zapier dashboard. Next, click Create and choose Zaps. If you need assistance, use the Copilot feature. Select both WordPress and ActiveCampaign from the list and enter the required details on the right-hand side. To connect your ActiveCampaign account, you'll need your API URL and API key. In your ActiveCampaign account, navigate to Settings, then Developer, and copy the necessary information. Paste these details into the corresponding fields. After that, click Sign into WordPress and enter your site details to connect and authenticate your WordPress account. Once you've configured all your settings, click Continue. When everything is set up, click Publish, and you're all done. And I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks so much for watching our video and for being a part of our audience. We truly appreciate it.